3 plant-based fish products, all using Ulrick and short ingredients. Here we go. First up is our plant-based shrimp. This uses our functional pea starch and pea fibre, creating a firm and meaty texture to mimic that of shrimp. Tastes great and can be used with any coating system. Next up is our fishless fingers. These use our textured pea protein, which replicates the structural flakiness of a fish finger. This can be developed into different formats, like fish cakes as well. And finally, for something slightly different, a plant-based sashimi. This could also be a smoked salmon or similar type application. This uses one of our tapioca starches and pea proteins to recreate that unique texture you would find in raw fish, but also the same appearance of fish fillets. All the Ulrick and Short products you've seen here today are plant-based, gluten-free and clean label. If any of these are of interest to you or you'd like to learn more about our plant-based solutions, then click through now.